Hi, I just wanted to go through a quick demo of using Screencast-o-matic with what is called Zoomit. This is for Windows computers. I'm on a laptop. I downloaded Zoomit, and I'm just going to show two of the views. It's got other things too, but Control 1 allows you to set a magnification level. So let's say I set it at 3 times. And when I press Control 1, it'll automatically zoom in, and I can press Control 1 again or Escape, and it will zoom back out. And then live zoom is going to let you actually be able to click and things while you're in that zoom mode. And to exit live zoom, you have to press the Control 4 again to repeat that process. So if I'm up here at the file menu and I press Control 1, it's going to zoom up 300 times on, or 3 times on that view. So you can see here, I can see my file menu much more easily. And if I move around, it will continue to move around, but I lose my mouse. Okay, so if I press Control 1 again, it gets back to the normal mode. If I press Control 4, that's live zoom, then it's a live version. So as I click things or go down, it's going to go down with me. And then Control 4 again to toggle back. Now, obviously, you don't want to make people dizzy, so you do want to be careful about overusing it. But let's say, you open a document. Always zoom up like on your document. So say I'm using this tool, I could real quickly just press Control 1 to show the tool better, especially if you're like clicking and holding a tool. So, if I'm clicking and holding that, I can press that Control 1 so you can see those better, and then press Control 1 again to get back out. Then I can use my tools and just proceed on as normal, as you go around. And then if there's something else that you want to show, say I want to zoom up right here so you can see my lasso better. I could pop into that live zoom, that Control 4, and I could start using my lasso in that view, and it's going to follow me. And then if I press Control 4 again, it's going to get out of that view. So anyway, that's just a quick rundown on how to use Zoomit with Screencast-o-matic. And Screencast-o-matic automatically puts the little yellow circle that you see when you play back videos and so forth. So I don't have to do anything with Zoomit to do that part, but just wanted to show you this as a nice little tool to give people a better view of things that are sometimes hard to see on the computer screen.